welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So today we're making a chocolate coconut cake. If you're a fan of Bounty chocolate bars, this is for you. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to bake the cake. What you want to do is place some flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl and mix together. And all the quantities are going to be listed in the description box down below, so definitely take a look. Then you want to add some coconut milk, some regular dairy milk, coconut oil, eggs, coconut extract, and vanilla extract, and mix in an electric mixer until combined. Then slowly add some coconut water and mix until well combined. Grease and flour 4 6-inch round baking pans and divide the batter evenly between each pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean, and then cool completely. To make the delicious coconut buttercream, you want to beat some butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add some coconut extract and vanilla extract and confectioner sugar 1 cup at a time, beating with each addition. Then to make the beautiful chocolate coconut topping, you want to line a 9 by 9 inch square pan with some plastic wrap. Then pour some melted brown candy melts into the dish and smooth the surface. Then place the dish in the freezer for 10 minutes or until it is hardened. Then you want to pour some white candy melts on top and smooth the surface, and then cover the surface with some white sprinkles, and this is going to look like shaved coconut. Then return the dish to the freezer while you assemble the cake. And so this is going to look like coconut, and the reason why we're using candy melts instead of chocolate is because it holds up much better at room temperature than pure chocolate does, so this will look pretty for as long as your cake is still uneven. So then to assemble the cake, it's super simple. All you need to do is slice the tops off the cakes to smooth the surface, and normally I remove the bottoms as well, but this cake is super moist, and so you don't really need to do that. Then stack the cakes and spread some delicious buttercream between each layer. Coat the cake in a thin layer of buttercream, and this is called a crumb coat, and this is going to catch any excess cake crumbs into that layer of buttercream so that they don't appear on the surface. Then chill the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes. Coat the cake in a thick, generous layer of buttercream, and then you want to gently press some desiccated coconut or coconut shavings, whatever you call them, I know there's 2 ways, onto the entire surface of the cake, just gently with your hand. And you can place a baking sheet underneath your cake so that it catches all the coconut so that you don't waste any. Then use a sharp knife to crack the chocolate coconut into large and small pieces. You might need a little bit of muscle to do this. And then you just want to arrange the pieces on top of the cake, and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. So this recipe is, I tried to shorten the intro, by the way, so from now on, if you want more of the juicy stuff, now is what I'm gonna say. But anyways, this recipe, normally when I'm planning recipes out, I go by seasonal stuff, or I don't know, just not random like this. Is there a season for coconut? Maybe it's December, I don't know. But I was just sitting on my couch, I'm like, you know what? A chocolate coconut cake, that would be really yummy. And I don't usually even like sweet coconut things. If it's I think Southeast Asian desserts with coconut milk, I love it so much. But normally I prefer coconut used in a savory way, not in desserts. But oh my god, this is the best thing I've ever made, ever. The whole channel, if you want to make something good on this channel, make this. It's so delicious. The cake is so moist, and it's so tender, and it doesn't taste too much like coconut, but it tastes the perfect amount. And then the buttercream is so soft and creamy and tastes perfectly of coconut. And oh my god, it's so good. I finished shooting it at 11:30 at night, and I was I don't even care that I'm so tired, I have to eat it anyways. And then Marco's my boyfriend, if you don't know, he and I had it for breakfast the next morning. And I gave the rest away to my parents and Marco, because I was I'm gonna eat the whole darn thing. It's so good, it's so moist, oh my god, I'm so happy with this. So if you make it, please post a photo on Instagram, tag me, I would love to see it. But yeah, okay, so, anyways, yeah, that was the most enthusiastic outro I think ever made. I'm like sweating from the enthusiasm. But anyways, yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. We are slowly getting back into the swing of things on this channel. I feel like I need to do a whole nother update video. But things are slowly getting better on my end, but it is taking some time. So I've missed so much lately and I feel so bad about it, but we're getting there and things are getting better. So I'm really excited to like keep going. Thursday's video is going to be really, really cool, and next week has another video that is like slightly related to Thursday's video, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, there's some really good videos coming, so I'm really excited about showing you guys. But yeah, I love you guys so much. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button if you like my channel. I don't know. And I'll see you guys on Thursday for a new video. Bye. Ow. That wasn't staged. That wasn't trying to look relatable. I'm just a dork. Bye.